Hi everybody, I am going to discuss about big data analytics based on unit 1, which covers the topic of statistical concept, method of data collecting, sample distribution, resampling, and statistical inference and prediction error. First of all, we have to know about what do you mean by statistical concept. First, we discuss about definition of statics. Statics is science of collecting, organizing, and drawing conclusion from data. There are two methods of data collecting. One is sampling from existing database. Example, stock market activity, price data from random sample of grocery stores. Researchers make use of data collected by the government and secondary source data collection. Next one is retrieving data directly from the respondents using a survey designed by the researchers. Primary source data collection, where one is secondary source data collection and another is primary source data collection. First of all, we see about sample distribution. The sample distribution is a distribution of sample statistics, while the concept of a distribution of set of numbers is intuitive for more students. Sampling distribution is a distribution of sample statistic. It is a model of distribution of scores like population distribution, except that scores are not raw sources but statistics. In sample distribution, it's a thought experiment. What would the world be like if a person repeatedly took a samples of n from n sample size n from population distribution and computed a particular static each time? The resulting distribution of static is called sampling distribution of statics. Selecting a n number of population from the world population, it gives a result in a sampling distribution. So it is called as sample distribution in statics. For example, suppose for sample distribution, suppose a sample of 16, n equal to 16 is taken from some population. This means 16 number is computed from the whole population. Next, a new sample of 16 is taken and mean is computed for the mathematics or concept of mean, mode, etc. based on sample distribution. If the process repeated in infinite number of times, the distribution now infinite number of sample would be sampling the distribution of mean. Every statistics of a sample distribution. For example, suppose instead of mean, medians were computed for each sample, infinite number of medians would be called the sample distribution of median. Sampling is usually easy to understand, so parallel to that we have intuition about sampling. For example, here the red balls are there. There are from the red balls we are taking a three number size of sampling. Like that in greens, the green dot or a ball. From that we taking based upon the size of we are taking a two numbers of sampling. Like that in a third one in yellow color. Okay, yellow ball. The size is slightly small than red green. So we are taking a one sample here. Like that of in white one, that is fourth one, we are taking a sample of two samples. Like that the sample distribution have been made. Resampling in statistics is any of variety of methods for doing one of the following. Resampling is a method that consists of drawing repeated samples from the original data samples. The method of resampling is a non-parametric method of statistical inference. Resampling generates a unique sampling distribution on basis of actual data. Statistical inference. The statistical inference aims at learning characteristics of the population from the sample. From the sample distribution, it has been made as statistical inference. The population of characters are parameters and sample characters are statistics. Here, population characters are parameters and sample characters are statistics. It is a mathematical formulation that describes the relation between random variables and parameters. Random variables and parameters. It makes an assumption that random variables and sometimes parameters, a general form, data equal to model plus residuals. The estimation represents the process of learning and determining the population parameter based on the model fitted to the data. Like that, an estimator is a particular example of statistics which becomes an estimate when formula is replaced with actual observed sample values. Another estimator will go to point estimation. It represents a single value that estimates the parameters, statistical inference. The point estimates are single values calculated from the sample one, sample distribution. Confidence intervals, which gives a range of values for the parameter. Interval estimates are intervals which parameters expected fall with a certain degree of confidence. Here also, hypothesis test has been performed. A test of specific values, parameter. We need a sample distribution of statistics. It depends upon the model assumption about the population distribution, one of the sample size. Standard error refers to standard deviation of sample distribution. From the three topics, statistics and sample distribution and statistical information, we are coming to know that in big data, the data are being analyzed, not the whole data. From the sample of data, it has been analyzed. For correct and accurate data, we are performing a resampling. From in the internet world, there will be a more petabytes daily. Petabytes, the size of the data has been petabytes have been increasing fraction of seconds to fraction of seconds in the real world. So if a person have to calculate the data means it's manually, it is not possible. But in a systematic value, according to the big data analysis, we can easily, by taking a sample distribution, by a sample of data, we can easily estimate the value and give the correct value for the business organization and also the internet data. Next one is prediction error. A prediction error is a discontinuity attribute that removes the predictable image components and reveals the unpredictable. To use prediction error as a discontinuity attribute, the original global or goal and starting point of my project, one has to devise a prediction error computation that predicts and removes the plane wave values of sedimentary layers, but it is incapable of predicting the discontinuous. Prediction error is also one type of sampling of data, which can be easily reduce the error after coming the project or estimation of values in a big organization in the internet of internet data. These are the analytics of big data. Thank you.